So we're here in our demonstration lab in our R&D labs here in Cebu in the Philippines. And over the last 5-6 years, we've completely redesigned our range of laser beam shutters. And you can see them all displayed here. We've got the LS30 shutters, the LS300 shutters in various types. Okay. Before I go into the different types of shutters, I just want to demonstrate the essential purpose of a laser beam shutter and the basic functions of a laser beam shutter. So here you can see we have a little red low power LED laser coming down here, coming through this shutter, and this is actually a dual channel shutter, 50mm aperture, and coming out the other side, and we can see the laser beam here. Okay, but obviously the shutter is currently open. So using our laser beam shutters, you have beam control options. So you can basically use the shutter to turn the beam on and off. The beauty of using a laser beam shutter to control your laser beam is that the laser beam itself, or the laser itself, it remains unaffected. So when the shutter is closed, the beam is dumped internally into the beam dump. Or for more powerful lasers, it can be dumped into an external beam dump, such as this one. Okay, but while the beam is being dumped here, so that you've turned your beam off, but your laser itself is still running, which means that you haven't interfered with the stability of the laser in any way. So the laser is able to continue running, and you know, some lasers can take a long time to become stable, and if you're doing various experiments, stability can be extremely important. So using a laser beam shutter means that you don't interrupt the stability. So I'm going to open the shutter again. These are our shutters used for beam control purposes, but also for safety purposes. So we have it connected into our ICS9 laser interlock system, and the fundamental purpose of that system is for a safety shutdown. So in the event of somebody opening a door or hitting an emergency stop, the interlock system will shut down the beam shutter, which will shut down the beam, and the safety function will be maintained. Okay, so the beam's gone off. So that's your basic safety function.